Want to know how to manage your account or edit your account information in Money Manager? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first is to simply open up your Money Manager application. So we have also created similar videos regarding Money Manager, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now once everything is done, you should be under this interface right here. And now once you're under this interface, on the bottom right side you should be seeing more right below add, just simply like that. And here you should be seeing various options popping up. Now right beside configuration you should be seeing accounts, just simply like that. And here you can see your account setting, just simply select it. And here you can just simply add an account by selecting plus. It should be on the top right side right here. And change from cash, card, or you can also change your group just like this. Name it anything that you like, add an initial amount, add a description, and then select save. And that's it. This is how you easily edit your account settings. You can also delete or add just like this right here. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.